Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: license, admin account, and DNS control. Once done, sign in at the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with your global admin credentials to begin. Make sure your billing details and tenant name are finalized so provisioning won't pause. Next, choose whether to add a custom domain now or use the on Microsoft.com default. Adding it early streamlines email and SSO. Begin domain verification immediately. This avoids delays when creating users and assigning licenses. Once your domain verifies, you proceed to core configuration. You should create user accounts and either assign licenses one by one or upload a CSV for bulk assignment to save time. Then configure Exchange mailboxes and set MX records to route mail. Be aware propagation may take up to 24 hours. Next, enable Teams and OneDrive with baseline policies, retention, sharing, and external access, so security is effective from day one. Finally, implement conditional access for immediate sign-in control. You finish by validating the environment. Test login, email flow, and Teams meetings from a non-admin account. Make sure multi-factor authentication is enabled and that admin roles are least privileged to reduce risk. Once done, run the Microsoft 365 health and security scanners to catch misconfigurations. If something goes wrong, the most common culprits are DNS misconfiguration or missing licenses. Recheck TXT/MX records and confirm users have appropriate licenses and sync status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.